Hello everybody, Kostas here, and we're gonna see one more fast-paced video and how we can create it. Okay, let's do that in the best way with the best possible voices and the best possible pictures and animations using Source AI. Okay, let's go on. Let's do it. So remember, just three simple stuff, okay, and things. We're gonna do just these simple steps. I'm gonna just paste here my prompt. I want to create you're the best storyteller and write a very short moral story. Okay, I just focus on one quote. You are fully responsible for everything you are, everything you have, and everything you become. And I just click enter, and boom, we have the story ready for us. Okay, let's move on and copy paste this story to Sort AI. I just paste here the story and we are ready to go. We need the video and video starting hook and the video ending hook. Okay, let's create that straight away with ChatGPT. I just ask ChatGPT to create them for me, and I'm gonna just get the video starting hook from here. Perfect. And I'm gonna paste it over here, and then I'm gonna grab this one. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it over here. Sorry, over here. And we are done. Let's move on. I'm gonna just click next, and this time we're gonna select Disney style, and then next. Over here I'm gonna select one of those amazing captions. Let's try this one, or even this one, or even this one. Let's go on, and then I can select from those amazing voices. Trust me, I tested so many platforms, but I didn't find such a good platform that it has so lively and so real voices. Let's try one. I'm gonna select one female this time. I'm gonna select English from here so that it's gonna be filtered in the best way, and I'm gonna select let's try.
Hey everybody, this is Juniper. I think I would be a great choice for your podcast.
For sure, it's gonna be a great choice. So we're gonna select Juniper, and just click generate video, and that was all. That was all. Let's see the result. Okay, and the results are ready. I'm gonna show you the one that I created. You see, I created those the last two of those in less than 10 minutes. Okay, let me show you the first one.
What if your
You see?
biggest problem is actually your best idea in disguise? Lena loved flying kites. One afternoon, her favorite kite tore in the wind. The paper flapped, broken. The string tangled like her thought.
The sound is amazing. It sounds so natural, so so listening to a girl, very nice girl, talking to and explaining the whole story. It's amazing. Let me show you the other one too.
What if a mirror didn't show who you are, but who you could become? This is the story of Lena, a girl who learned the secret to changing her life with no magic at all. Lena, a curious girl of 12, wandered deep into the forest.
Perfect, perfect. I believe you understand the value of this web app and this platform. Trust me, you can try it for free. Just click in the link to my description or down to the comments, to the first comment, and enjoy creating. Try, test it, and if you think that it's not for you, don't use it anymore. But if you really enjoyed it, or even if you want in the future to use something fast and easy to grow your audience, trust me, that this one is the one that you have to choose. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll talk to the next one. Bye bye.